We're currently up in the mountains and got some freaking amazing waterfalls and stuff up here. Like there's that one up there. I don't know how much you can see with the rain, but yeah, snow everywhere. It's freezing. Freezing cold. So, I'll tell you a story. Oh, what a dick. I was just flying the drone up there, and then I was just about to land it, and I was just being an idiot, and crashed it. So we just spent maybe the last half an hour. Snowy mountains. Clouds in the mountains. River running down there. It almost looks like just a picture there, eh?
It's crazy.
I'm at my first river crossing. I've got no idea how deep this is. But it looks like cars have been going through. Holy shit, that was deep. That was very deep. A lot deeper than what I thought. I don't know how many more of them there is. Where'd that come from? It touched the bottom of the bags on the bike and it wet my boots. So my boots were underwater a bit, so it must have been deep. But this ride through here is just, I don't know, this is like this is the best spot I've seen so far. It's just unreal. I think maybe if you come here any earlier, this is all underwater because the river's right there, and a couple of spots like this, see? The river pushes the water right out. See, this is just like river here. Lost the gear, man. But there's some spots back there, like this is the road now, the river. So yeah, I don't know if it gets any worse or not, I don't know, but some spots just don't drive on, like especially where the car wheel marks are found, because it's just real soft. I'm hoping I got enough fuel, but we'll wait and see. Time will tell. 2 more rabbits on the road. Oh, they're like deer or something, but there's one there and there's one up here.